Hi, I'm Stacey with WTI. You could definitely add such a touch of glamour with this beautiful, gorgeous mirror from Keonjinn. This mirror is so beautifully made, it will definitely add such a touch of elegance and glamour to your bathroom. This mirror is the 30 by 36 inch side. It is a beautiful gold metal mirror that is completely dimmable, and you can see by the really fine attention to detailing around the edges with that really beautiful beveling that they've paid attention to all the extra features. The mirror can be plugged into your outlet, or it can be set up with hard wire, which was a really nice add-on because we don't have electricity behind this wall, so we really needed something that had that flexibility. The mirror has some beautiful lighting features that give you lots of options. You can light it up directly on the mirror using the touch screen, which is really responsive, and you can even leave on a backlight that makes for a nice night light at night. The mirror was very easy to install, and you can see again by the extra detailing on the back, they included a French cleat that really shows their extra attention to detail and makes it feel like it's really mounted to the wall very well. This mirror really adds on to this beautiful bathroom by giving you so many lighting options. That rust-resistant frame as well as the beautiful gold of it make it such a beautiful mirror. I'm really impressed by all the wonderful features and by the responsiveness of that awesome touchscreen, making this the perfect bathroom setup. But that's just my point of view.